In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import tasks into Asana from a CSV file. We'll start by preparing your data. Before you open Asana, take a moment to clean up your spreadsheet. Make sure the first row contains clear column headers, and that your task names are concise but descriptive. Keep each task on its own row, remove any blank rows, and avoid merged cells or formulas that could confuse the importer. Save your file as a CSV to ensure the format is compatible. For dates, use a consistent format like YYYYMMDD, and double check that the people listed in your assignee column match the teammates who are already in your Asana workspace. If you're unsure, you can always leave the assignee field blank and assign tasks later in Asana. Next, open Asana and start a new project. From your home or team view, create a project and give it a straightforward name that reflects the work you're about to import. You can choose a layout that you prefer, such as list or board. The import will work with either, so pick the view that will help your team the most. Once your project is created, look for the option to import and select Import CSV. This opens the import flow and lets you choose the CSV file you just prepared. Select that file from your computer and continue. Now it's time to map your CSV columns to Asana task fields. You'll see a preview of your headers on the left and Asana fields on the right. Map your task name column to name, your details column to description, your date column to due date, and your people column to assignee. If you have extra columns you don't need, you can leave them unmapped, or if they're useful context, add them into the description by combining them in your CSV before importing. Take a moment to confirm that dates are recognized correctly and that the assignee names look right. Before you finalize, review the import summary. Asana typically shows a few sample rows so you can verify everything is aligned. If something looks off, go back and adjust your mappings or fix the CSV and reselect it. When you're confident, complete the import and let Asana process the tasks. After the import finishes, scan your project for accuracy. Spot check task names, open a few descriptions to ensure formatting looks good, verify due dates, and confirm assignees. Make any quick edits needed to keep things consistent. If you notice anything missing, you can update tasks directly in Asana, bulk edit where helpful, and reorganize or refine details to match how your team works. And that's it. Your CSV is now successfully imported into Asana.